Right, so you've decided to become a member. Thank you very much, most appreciated. Now, what will it mean when you become a member of Pixie's channel? Well, as many of you may know, I don't normally do live streams in person. It's normally via the drone. I mean, I used to do live streams quite a lot back in the day, yeah, but it's been very few and far between. But I'll probably do at least one live stream every Thursday, probably lasting about half an hour or an hour, depending on how many people we're getting. That will be later on down the line when I get a few more members in. So yes, thank you for becoming a member, and also you'll be getting some free badges. Awesome. So when I do a live stream on the free stuff, then you'll be having like badges to say that you're a member, and each badge will change for how long you've been here. It's absolutely awesome. And also I'll be doing a giveaway for a photograph, a framed photograph. Won't be a massive one, but it'll be quite a decent sized photograph of where I've been with my drone that month. I'll pick out the best picture, and one of you lucky guys will be able to win it. That will be when I get like hopefully between 5 and 10 members. So that'll be awesome, so look forward to that. So yes, thank you very much for coming and joining my membership. Means the world to me. And also, oh yes, also you'll be getting to see behind the scenes as well on how I find my locations, and also getting a few bloopers in there. Plus you will get to see the video firsthand before everybody else does as well. So yeah, that'd be awesome. So I'll play it in the I'll have a set day, I don't know, Arguments Hate Wednesday or something like that. I'll pop it on there at a certain time so you can all come in, view it before that, and then a couple of days later I'll pop it on to my main channel. Alright then guys, thank you very much once again for being a member. Love you all, and just spread the word of Pixie's channel how you can become a member of my channel. Alright then guys, thank you very much, and I shall see you. Bye for now.